Metalfab is proud to introduce this walk-in rescue built for the Morell PEI Fire Department. It is built on a 2012 International 7400 chassis. It is powered by a Max Force 9 315 horsepower engine, has an Allison 3000 EVS transmission, seating for 3 firefighters, air conditioning, aluminum wheels, and aluminum sun visor. The front bumper is extended to house a 12,000-pound Warren winch. There are storage compartments on the outer edges of the frame rails. The front bumper has 200-watt speakers for the Federal EQ2B siren. There is a remote control spotlight mounted on the passenger side of the dash. The lighting package is a Federal LED light package. There are extender lights powered by 110 volts on the front of the body. In the left side step area, there's a small battery conditioner, and there is a built-in air compressor for the air brake system. This unit has been tested to the ULC S515-04 Special Service Vehicle Standard. The front compartment is covered by a AM-door roll-up door. There are 2 pull-out trays. There is a 12-volt electrical panel mounted in the back of the compartment. Every compartment is vented and lighted with LED lights. The second compartment has 2 pull-out trays as well. The compartment over the rear wheels houses 7 SCBA bottles. The rear fender well has a Zyco ditch light and 2 Federal LED flashers. The rear compartment has adjustable dividers and 2 adjustable pull-out tool boards. In the upper corners, there are 9x7 Federal LED flashers and scene lights. On the rear of the unit, there is flashers at each upper corner. There is scene lights mounted there as well. There is a traffic bar mounted over the rear entry door, along with a rear view backup camera. On the outer edges, there are handrails and 2 110-volt extender light tripods. On the bottom corners, there are flashers and Wayland 64 LED light modules that contain the turn signal, the brake light, and the backup light. Underneath the entry door, there is an access door for the pintle hook, and there is a manual pull-out step underneath the rear step. In the rear compartment, there is a 4-bottle cascade system, and there is an electric cord reel with 200 feet of cord and a lighted electric junction box. Over the rear wheels, there is another 7 SCBA bottle holder, and there is a pull-out whiteboard for a command post. In the rear fender well, there's a Zyco ditch light and LED flashers. The compartment ahead of the rear wheels has 2 pull-out trays. One houses a 4 SCBA carousel system. There is an entry door on the side with an electric step mounted underneath the rub rail. And the front compartment has a pull-out tray and the 110-volt electrical panel, auto transfer switch, and command for the 5-kilowatt Raven generator. In the upper corners, there are scene lights and flashers. On the inside of the body, there is a total of 19 bunker gear compartments. There is cargo netting on the front of each compartment in order to meet ULC. At the ceiling level, there are 12-volt lights and 110-volt lights controlled by switches beside each entry door. On the sides of the walkway, there are 2 fold-down bench seats to be used while on scene for rehab purposes. At the front of the body, there is a command desk, there is a pull-out stool, and then there's a fridge. There is a pass-through to the cab. On top of that, there is a radio shelf with plugs. And there is a side door to gain access to the outside, and there are flashlights mounted beside each entry door.